kind of transformations we want to do it. So those transformations are something we want to replace in the commission column. Whatever we have the null we want to replace with 0. That is the one transformation we want to do it. Then second requirement we have here, e-name, column name, I want to change as a employee name. Okay, I'm renaming the column, we are renaming it. That is the second transformation I want to do it. Third transformation, we are doing calculating on new column called as total salary. Total salary is equal to salary plus commission. It's a third transformation we want to do it. So these are the three transformations what we want to do it at this point of time. Okay, let us go and try to do these three transformations. I am in the EMP table. In the EMP table, first thing is I want to go and I want to replace commission column null is available. I want to replace with 0. Commission column null is available. I want to replace with 0. Okay, let us select here commission column whatever available. We are selecting it. Then right click here. Once you right click, then you can notice there is an option called as replace values. If you click on the replace values, then it's going to ask you what you want to find it. I want to find the null. What you want to replace with? I want to replace with 0. So we are trying to say as values to find is null, values to replace with is 0. Click on here OK. Now we can notice all nulls are replaced with 0. One transformation is completed. Your transformation is recorded here as a one step. It is recorded. You can notice replaced value is a transformation. It is recorded. Now we have here 5 steps are available. Earlier we have only 4 steps. Now we got this 5th step, we got it. You can see one formula automatically system written for you. That formula is saying as null value replaced with 0 for the column called as commission column. You come to know what is this more information about this formula later. As of now, whatever we are seeing this one replaced values, I can call this as a one transformation. This is called as, what is this? One transformation. One transformation. Okay, now similarly, I want to do one more transformation. I want to do it. That transformation is renaming employee name column, whatever available with the employee name, full name. I want to write it. There is option called as rename. Before renaming, you can notice here we have only 5 steps. Now, if you go and try to click on rename, then you can notice I am trying to rename this as a employee name. Press enter from the keyboard. Now you can notice one more step is came here. One more step is came here. The step is called as renamed columns. Renamed columns. What rename you did it? You renamed employee name as a employee name like that. E name as a employee name. You renamed it. Okay, clearly it is calling one function for this one and doing its job. Now this is called as, I can say, second transformation. Second transformation. Now, third one, I have here salary, I have here commission. I want to add these two things and I want to calculate total salary. For example, 1250 plus 500 becomes 1750. I want to add these two things. To do that one, what you have to do is go to the add column. There is a add column option. Then we have here custom column. Then we'll get here one more window. You are going to get it. That is known as custom column window. Here you can write here whatever name you want it. I am writing the name as total sal is the name. I can go and I can take the columns in SQL Server database or in Power BI. Column names are always enclosed with the square brackets. I am writing here square bracket. Then the moment if I type here salary, we are able to see the salary. Plus I want to go for commission. So go and try to select here commission. If you don't want to type from your side, then you can also go and try to select from here. For example, select the salary column. Click on here insert button that will be inserted. Then type the plus, then select the commission, then click on insert that will be inserted. If you do any mistakes, then we won't get here right mark, we won't get it. Suppose I am forgetting about one bracket, then it's saying as clearly token right bracket expected, because we missed here right bracket is missed. This is the error message it's throwing clearly. We missed here right bracket, we missed it. Okay, so you need to make sure there is no errors are available in our expression, so this is called as actually expression. This is called as expression. So in this expression, make sure there is no errors. If you want to write some comment lines, you can write the comment lines by putting here two forward slashes. You have to put it and you have to write the comment line. Okay, expression. And it is a comment line. It is a comment line. That comment lines are useful to educate next developers, whoever is managing your report. So wherever if you want to write the comment lines, you can go ahead and you can write the comment lines. Let us go and try to click on OK. Now you can notice you can write parent expected. Some problem is came here. It's showing as some problem. Okay, let us go and try to modify this one. Uh, okay, this bracket is not there. Okay. Okay. Now I modified it. Now we are able to observe here. Now we are able to observe here we got result, we got it. Now also I want to do fourth transformation. I want to do it, that is bottom I am seeing all are null records. I don't want to see null. Then you can go ahead and you can select this row whatever available, select this row whatever available. You can um, uh, or else you can go for this row whatever available you want to delete permanently. I don't want to replace nulls with the something. I want to delete permanently. If you want to delete permanently, then you can go to the home. There is an option called as remove rows. If you select the remove rows, remove top or bottom rows. Remove bottom rows. I am going with the one bottom row I want to remove. Click on OK. Now you can notice bottom that one row is not there. Wow, beautiful. You did here four steps you completed. These are the four steps what we completed. One step is you are saying as replacing the values. Second step is we are saying as renaming it. Third step is we added one new column. Fourth step is one row we removed it. One row we removed it. So these are the four steps what we did it. Each one whatever you are seeing is called as steps, and technical words these things are called as transformations. These transformations we are doing on the table called as EMP. The EMP here technically called as queries. Whatever query you are selecting here, that is going to show here that properties is showing. Okay, now once you are happy with the changes whatever available, once you are happy with the changes whatever available, we can go and we can apply it. If you click on apply, these changes will be reflected to the front end. These changes will be reflected to the front end, that is called as Power BI desktop. In the fields tab, we'll able to see this EMP and DEPT, will be able to see it. Okay, that means Power BI desktop is still opened and we're able to see EMP, DEPT. Your Power Query also still opened. Now you can notice Power Query is still opened. Power BI desktop is still opened, and the Power BI desktop right side we are seeing the two tables, we are seeing it. One is called as EMP, second is called as DEPT. Second is called as DEPT. Please try to do till here, then we'll learn about data types.